one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
You've been holding a lot inside. You may keep going, keep smiling, keep doing what needs to be done, but your heart has grown tired. Not only tired in body, but tired deep within, in the place where you truly need peace, where you need room to breathe. And the Lord says, I'm meeting your needs in this day. Come into my presence, draw close, for I'm bringing you by streams of living water, streams of refreshment and renewal. Do not be afraid, but trust that I'm with you, for I am the one who strengthens you in this day, the one who renews you like the dawn. Be at peace and know that I'm with you. You're not in this alone, for I am the one who is with you always. Receive my peace, receive my grace and my strength, for I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who is filling you afresh, the Lord who is filling you anew. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.